What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog or how-to. This is going to be a really quick one as well, just a really cheap how-to install the red start stop button. As you can see, this is my stock one. I already took it out. I had to make sure that I knew what I was doing before I filmed this, but what you're going to need basically is you're going to need this little screwdriver or a pick and the trim removal tool, actually this side. But the reason why you're going to need this obviously is because on the back of that there's two tabs, as you can see here, and what you're going to do is you're going to need the screwdriver to like push it in this way to make it come free. So let's get into the video. It's going to be short, sweet, cheap, and simple. Alright, as you can see, this is how it looks like with the backlighting. This red stop button you can find on Amazon, eBay, whatever, but I was able to find one that pretty cheap. I think it was like 10 bucks. So I mean, simple mod, but it kind of changes how their interior looks. Little mod like this, but I'm gonna show you how easy it is to take this part out here to install this one and take out the black one. So obviously the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna have to take this out. And it's going to be a whole lot easier if you have one of these trim removal tools. You can get these for cheap as well. I got this set, I think this and maybe 20 other pieces for like 20 bucks for, you know, everything else like that, which I'll show you a video how to do that later. But yeah, it's going to be so much easier with this. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get like a tape. I don't have tape, but like a napkin or something, and you're just going to tape this whole outside so you don't ruin the leather. And you're just gonna pry it out. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. It's gonna be pretty difficult, but it'll get there. Alright, so as you can see, I was able to take the trim tool and just go place it right underneath there, and all you gotta do is just pry it off. Alright, so once that is off, you're gonna have to take these out, these black clips out. So one there, I think that's, yep, that's one right there. Basically all around, you just gotta lift it up and take it out. Alright, so once you take it out, it's gonna look like this. A lot of people take out this silver part too. You don't have to. All you gotta do is just look on the back, and you're gonna have to work. This is the area you're gonna be working with right here. So let's put this back. Don't need light. I guess you don't really need, but so what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to take your screwdriver or anything that's really small, and I'm sorry it's a little blurry, but really small, and you're going to fit it in here and here, and basically you're gonna squeeze it. So you're gonna take it and squeeze it like how it is here. So it's focus. Yeah, so these two here is basically are the ones that you're going to be squeezing together. So once you take that and squeeze it together like this, it'll just come out. It'll come out this way. It's just going to take the new one after that. Once this is out, you just pop it in, it just clicks in. Really simple. And like I said, it's only 10 bucks. So, and installation is just vice versa. Really easy. All you gotta do is get the clamps or the connections back here. There's no electrical connection here, as far as I know. All you gotta do is just plug it in right back, vice versa, how you got it out. And that's about it. Easy mod for 10 bucks. So, let's get it back in. Yeah, so there's no electrical connection to it. It's just these two lights that's illuminated through this here. Yeah. Alright, as you can see, it's already snapped. It literally just snapped back in less than a second. All I gotta do is just take it up, put it back in, make sure everything is good, and just pass back in just like that. Then next, like I said, very simple DIY. Maybe in the next video I'm gonna show everyone how to install these lights here on the side if y'all are interested. Very simple as well. Probably takes about 5 minutes to install. Looks great. It actually changes colors. and you know, bobs and throbs and all that different kind of stuff. So it's pretty sick. Right now it's just on default, but maybe I'm gonna need this later. Maybe I'll propose or something. Huh, who knows? This is what it came with the button. Still have my stock one just in case. Just leave it in here. Yeah. So another cheap mod done. 10 bucks, can't complain. Came in within a week, and it literally took me about 5 minutes. All the things that you're gonna have to really do is you're gonna have to find the screwdriver that I showed you is maybe a little bit too big. You can do it that way, but you're gonna find one maybe a little bit smaller. Maybe the ones that you use for, I don't know, for your electronics or something, those really tiny ones. Yeah, those, all you gotta do is just take it off, clips off, and you just push the new one back in. Real simple. And once again, everybody, if you haven't already, please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe on this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.